In this short video, we show you the most important connections of your Epson receipt printer. First, remove the cover plates of your printer and turn it upside down. The pictograms will give you an overview of which connection is located on your printer. If you want to use the printer via LAN, connect a LAN cable to the port provided and connect the printer to your router. When connecting the printer's power supply, please be aware that the plug has a safety catch. If you want to disconnect the power cable from your printer, slightly pull back the part of a plug with the arrow on it. Insert the TSE card into the provided slot. You can find a detailed video here. If you have a cash drawer, connect it to the printer as shown here.